The ideals of our fraternity, a true brother and an inspiration to us all. He will always be remembered by the brothers after him. At this point, may I please request Brats Pipo Condok and Coops Villarreal to offer a few words for Cook.
So, tonight I have both. But I'll give tribute to Boy. Keynote ni Art kanina. I got it from the playwright Arthur Wilder. He said, the best tribute for anyone who are beloved who have departed is will not grieve but tribute. So,
thank you for giving us the opportunity thank you for giving us the opportunity to be able to host your father. Kasi talagang naging malaki ang father. Yung sinabi ko kanina, yung dalawang tao, public speaking, medyo sanay ako to kasi ilan sa kong salita, nagtuturo ko sa klase ko. So, medyo na-control ko. Special Vision Magazine eh. Sa front offer kami, apat yun eh. Si Dr. Osa, si Dr. Kwasi Romualdez, daddy mo, tapos ako.
Brothers of the Amici. Greece is timeless and equated with glory, which as it receded further in time, becomes more desirable. A glory whose peak is held as a standard, to which periods of history are compared. The fire. The energy which invigorates the fraternity. It is the soul and the will of the fraternity. We have worked hard for our aims and purposes, and the fraternity veered towards a meaningful direction. The water, which is the very essence in your life as a brother. This spin symbolized your entry to the fraternity. Now that you have departed us, may it be a symbol of our undying bond, a proof that you are forever marked as a brother of the Mu Sigma Phi. Your name shall echo through all the shores, hills, and valleys, as long as our fraternity stands. Our humble hope is to be whole. So let not the burden of times prove heavy, and mask the happiness that we seek. To feel the joy of heart, and offer our services to mankind, with the same youthful enthusiasm that we can offer. We have tried to accomplish a simple service. In the same way as we dedicate our lives to science, so too do we indulge in humanities. For it's only in mirth and glee that
shall be found unwavering through when we from life shall part. College life at best is passing, gliding swiftly by. Then let's pledging words and deeds our love for Mu Sigma Phi.
Brats, I think with the life that Brad was, I think can usually Can we sing the front march?
Sigma Phi will obtain to love and honor forever, and to treasure thy name in all the noble endeavors, both here and afar. Our hearts and hands will do or die, if it's your name we'll glorify. Brothers united, forever we will be. Battles or tempests, or land or sea, onwards together we'll do our part sublime, with all the courage that we can gather, for the spirit of the music of Phi.
All for the glory of the music of Phi.
There's no glory without tears.